Study the differences between coal and coke. So the first point under coal is, coal is a primary fuel, but for coke is a secondary fuel. Now the second point under coal is, coal is a readily combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock, and for coke from coal is grey, hard and porous. Coke is a solid carbonaceous leftover derived from destructive distillation of low ash, low sulfur bituminous coal. So the third point, the energy density of coal is roughly 24 megajoules per kg, and in terms of kilowatt hour the energy density is 6.67 kilowatt hour per kg. And for coke has better calorific value than coal. The energy density of coke is roughly 29.6 megajoules per kg, that is 24.8 million BTU per ton. BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. Now the next point, coal has 0.4 times greater density than coke, while on the other hand coke typically has a specific gravity between 1.85 to 1.9. It is highly porous and the mass of coke has 40% more volume than an equivalent mass of coal. So now let's move on to the fifth point. Coal usually contains a considerable amount of incidental moisture, which is the water trapped within the coal in between the coal particles. Coals are usually mined wet and may be stored wet to prevent spontaneous combustion. Now while calculating the carbon content of coal, there are two types of methods. One is the moisture free basis. Another is the wet basis. So these are the two methods by which the carbon content are calculated. Now for coke we have, now the volatile constituents of the coal including water, coal gas, coal tar are driven off by baking in an oven without air at very high temperatures, so that the fixed carbon and the residual ash are fused together. Now such coke gives better yield of energy as the volatile components have been removed. Now let's move on to the fifth point. Caking of coal is possible due to the presence of lignin or lignocellulosic material in coal, and for coke, caking of coke is not possible due to the absence of lignin in coke. Let's move on to the next point. Low quality coals like bituminous coal contain smoke producing constituents. The presence of these contents make them unsuitable for domestic stoves and the furnace launched near living areas. And for coke, since the smoke producing constituents are driven off during the coking of the coal, coke forms a desirable fuel for stoves and furnaces. Coke can be burned with little or no smoke. So these were the differences between coal and coke. So this is a nice image I have found of coal. You can see that it is very lustrous compared to the coke, which is on the right hand side. So these were the differences between coal and coke. Thank you.